Yeah, it is. Awesome.
Apparently the new MakerBot finally arrived. MakerBot Method. Apparently it's one of the best desktop printers around. It's up to 2 times faster than any others out in the market right now. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're gonna take this MakerBot now out of the box. So you're not gonna use any scissors or any box cutters to take this out. So we're gonna use these panels right here to take it out of the box. It's gonna be pretty much simple and easy to do. Well, we hope it is. Finally got these panels off, so now I'll take the printer out of the box. This is a very nice and sleek design.
Did you know the MakerBot method leverages industry-leading Stratus patents, including high-quality components like a heat-filled chamber, precision dissolvable supports, and dry sealed material things.
Wow, Abe, I didn't know that. It seems like this is totally scripted. It's so compact, it doesn't even take that much of space. I mean, it has a 5-inch touchscreen, it's so much easier to navigate.
Better computer mouse.
Buttons and pressing. So, friendly with this quick start guide, give it a set it up and be ready to go.
It's so easy to add materials to the machine. With Smart Spools, we can monitor material details including color and quantity in MakerBot Print. The print base and spring steel build plate provide true flatness for unyielding part accuracy. The MakerBot even comes with a starter kit. It comes with a spring steel build plate, Model 1 material, Model 1 performance extruder, Support 2 material, Support 2 performance extruder, cleaning brush, leveling hex key, a USB cable, and your power cable for both North America and Europe.
And that's the MakerBot method, everybody. I want to thank everybody from MakerBot for sending over this amazing printer. Can't wait to get it started and start printing.